Hi, I'm Siraj. I'm going to show you how Pitney Bowes CONFIRM and Jadu CXM integrate two-way in order to keep a customer informed when they make a digital service request. First of all, I'm going to use this demo website I'm using. This is just a demo of a council website. I'm going to actually report a street problem. In this case, it's a problem with grass cuttings on the street. The form is asking for some basic personal information, so I'm just going to type in my forename and my surname. It's also asking me for a postcode, so this would be my address postcode. Now this uses a local postcode service, but it could also be an internal postcode gazetteer system as well. It's doing a live lookup to return my address data, and I'm just going to pick the correct address. It's asking for a telephone number as well, which is optional. And it's asking for a mobile number, which I'm going to skip, and an email address as well, which I will type in as well. Now the next page of the form is asking for a location of the problem. I could actually type in a street name if I wanted to, but in this case I could actually use my location. Now if I'm on a mobile device, for example, I have told my browser using a location plugin to tell the service that I'm in Dallas. That's because this demo system is actually located in Dallas. If I click use my location, the form will refresh to show a map with my current location on it, and I can then use the pin to tell the council exactly where the problem is. Once I'm done with that, I could type in a description. And if I wanted to, I could also upload an image as well. Now, I'm just going to drag an image in from my browser, but I could also use my mobile phone's camera to take a photograph and attach it to the form as well. Okay, so I'm at the last page of my form now. If we just drag the browser out so you can see everything, you can see that the website is asking me to confirm my details and submit. And that's it, my form has now been reported to the council. So the next step is for me as the council to log into my CXM service, and if I work in customer services, this is kind of what my dashboard would look like. I'm just going to click on the cases tab, and here you'll see a list of all the most recent cases that get reported right across the council, and you'll see the latest one is the report I just made. You'll see that there's an image of the grass cuttings on the street, which has come through from the form, as well as all the form details as well. I could actually speak to the customer here if I wanted to. For example, if I wanted to know if this problem was recent, I could actually ask the customer, and this would send the customer either an email or potentially optionally a SMS message as well. Interestingly though, as well as being able to speak in real time to the customer here, I can actually also view the case in Pitney Bowes CONFIRM. In order to do that, I'm just going to go to the Details tab, and you'll see that there's an inquiry number. I'm just going to grab that inquiry number and go to Confirm and do a search. Now the waste team usually have access to this area of Confirm, and we'll be able to see the case record on the left here. If I was just to click that case record, you can see all of the history. So you can see the comment that was made. There are grass cuttings all over the road. And the street team may well have already gone out to the case and sorted it out, so in which case they would edit and change the status to completed. They can also make a note, and once the case is saved, a message will automatically go back to CXM informing the customer and updating the case timeline. You'll notice that the case has been updated with the message that the street team entered into Confirm. The case is now closed. The customer has been informed by email and optionally via SMS as well.